Here's an app called Moovit, Public Transport Live. So here you can just track all the public transport schedules and how it works. Using like two bus rail times and routes. There are apps like City Mapper, and of course now Google Maps integrates, and probably Apple Maps as well. I'm not sure about that. They integrating all of these schedules into their apps as well. So here, you can just choose the best route, see nearby lines, find shared mobility services, all lines in your city, arrival times, timetables, and alerts. And then you can just enjoy the smoother journey. And then you can just enable this app, get started, and let's see how it kind of works. Of course, you need to sign up and add notifications. Then you can just upgrade if you wanna. Then for example, you can see compare all available routes to your destination in the map and see what works best for you. So then you can just enter a destination, and then of course in the free versions there are all these annoying ads, but then you can just see, for example, the route, and then you can just search the routes, and then you can see different preferences. You can select best route, least walking, transit types. So if you wanna select different bus, train, metro, light rail, bike, walk options, if you wanna slow walking pace, maximum walking duration, all of these additional filters which you can set up. And then just select all the different bike routes, walking routes, shared mobility, where you can include all types of electrical bikes and scooters. You can also include all these cars which you can rent out. And so that's basically the idea. You can also sync calendar. You can add a homework locations, so to easily navigate. Then you can see some stops, you can see lines and different lines and public transport in your areas. Of course, depending on each city. I don't know actually in which cities it operates. So as you can see, it operates here in Denmark, but let's see also if it operates in which other countries. So there you have it. That's just like an overview, so try it out.